Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that SushiSwap has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on a 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line is rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.60. Previously, you can see we got stable ejections here. And before that, it was also breaking as a resistance here for several weeks. And therefore, again, it is breaking as a strong resistance. And now the price line is testing this long-term support zone that starts from 94 cents and goes to 85 cents. And this support zone has been previously breaking as a support here, support zone here. You can see when the price line after this big drop entered inside this support zone, we had a nice pump. And then you can see it has been testing this support zone here for several months. And now it was breaking as a resistance here. And now again, it is breaking as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SushiSwap that I shared on 15th of December 2023 with my members. And that was a Gartley pattern, a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that SushiSwap formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I click this play button, then you can see it is showing us that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Slightly moved down than this buying zone here, but it covered back very soon. Then we had a nice pump, and this was almost 26% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal A, B equal to CD pattern. And I shared this idea on 3rd of December in the previous month. And this move was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 19% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And it was moving inside this wedge since after the month of May 2021 when we found the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. You can see the price line after this powerful rally rejected by this resistance here. And then we got stable ejections, dropped down at this support. And then we got stable ejections again. And finally, the price line has recently broken out the resistance of this wedge. And we have also broken out this quite long-term resistance zone that was previously breaking as a support zone here. That starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. And now this level is breaking as a support zone after this breakout. You can see previously it was breaking as a support zone here and support zone here for several months. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a strong resistance. And now, again, it is breaking as a nice support. Now, there is a probability that after testing this support once again, the price line can make another attempt to break out the next resistance of $1.60. And after that, the imminent resistance will be here at $2 that has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And now it can again break as a resistance for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge that can be between $23 to $25. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.